Hey, it's been a while, guys. Has it been? It's been a few teensy bit of months. My excuse for this time, T-Money. My friend Damon over here.
Yeah.
He decided, Ty, I want you to throw up. And like we've tried before, I've only done it once successfully. Successfully.
You had to retract that.
Redact. It's redact. Okay, I'm gonna strangle you. I'm gonna tear it. Okay.
Stupid word.
Well, it's the right word. So we decided to try to overload me with sugar. And he's like, yeah, I'm gonna make you throw up. I'm like, this is gonna be fun. So I guess we'll do review the worst reviewed candies and the best reviewed candies as well. And see if I can throw up. We got a selection here. We also got sugary drinks. Damon knows I hate mints and I hate Coronation, so we're also gonna drink that too. So Damon, you pick first what we're gonna do.
Okay,
I fucking hate it. Okay. Hate mints so much. Okay, so I'm gonna shove these down my gullet. I'm gonna see how these go. I generally might throw up because I really cannot fucking stand mint. Like I fucking hate it. As a kid, my grandma would always give me these and I would gag and fucking absolutely hurl. What the fuck are you doing? Why are you...
I'm doing the angle, bro.
Yeah, but why are you bending like that, bro?
Okay, fine.
You don't gotta bend like that. See, that's normal. That's fine.
Come on, taking too much time on one candy.
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh my. This is great. I missed this. How do you rate this out of 10? Out of 10? Out of 10.
no more phone, boss.
Out of 10.
A 1.
1?
I can't fucking...
Okay, next one.
Okay, so we're having this Australian licorice. It's black licorice too, so it's gonna be fucking garbage. I know that.
You have to pour it in your mouth.
I don't want to put it on the bag. It's very rude.
Sound that.
In case old people like this, so.
It's not that bad.
It's like garbage.
Take like a huge amount. You have to eat a lot of that, okay? Oh,
Oh, it's sticky.
yeah, eat all of that. Give me 1. Okay, ready?
Oh my god.
I mean, it's not that bad.
Oh my fucking god.
What?
What is it? I hate coffee. It tastes like coffee. Oh.
What's better, this or coffee creamer?
Coffee creamer. Because it doesn't taste like coffee.
Okay, next game.
So we're doing these caramel creamers. So we'll give them a try, see how they taste.
I'm doing like a musically edit, like, you know?
These weren't well reviewed, rated in a store. I don't know why. They seem okay. Oh.
You don't like them?
Well, I just had mint, so it's weird.
Bro, that's so good.
It's fine, but like it tastes weird because I just had like 40 mints.
And licorice.
And licorice.
Out of 10?
I'll give that a 4. Okay, guys. We're taking these brown bites. These didn't have any reviews from what I could find.
They're new, I think.
Yeah, they're new, so I don't think they got any. But we'll give them a try.
2 at once. Oh my.
I like 2 brown balls.
You like 2 big brown balls on you? Do you not like them?
Not as good as the cream ones we had before.
Okay. So what would you rate them?
A 7.
7? Okay.
Pretty good actually. Fuck, it's really good.
Oh, what did it just kick in?
Mm-hmm.
What would you say?
8.
8? Okay.
Wait, when did they add a bump to this?
That is the almond.
Really? When did they have it? I thought.
Always. Just eat it.
Oh, shit.
You like it?
Step around, Ted.
Yeah, it's not bad, right? You were so scared. It's actually not that bad. Okay. Next, Lindor.
Okay, so guys, you're gonna have some of these. These are actually very, very good. But you know, Damon told me one time he ate a couple of them, too many at a time, and he threw up.
Well, I didn't throw up, but I wanted to kill myself. So while we're waiting, would you smash Lil Nas X?
Depends. Is he gonna be in one of his fancy costumes?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Oh.
Now you feeling it? Okay, how do you feel?
Oh, not good.
Not good? Eat it all. No spitting this time.
Can't swallow.
Just do it. Just do it. Do it. Swallow it. Swallow. Swallow. Beef. Oh. Oh. He's close. Oh, hi. Let's go. Nonsense. What was that from? Is that throat?
Yep.
Oh, easy. Let's. How you feel? Get up.
Better.
Go sit. So now that you've thrown up, second time on the channel, from the things that everybody love, how do you feel? You're crying. How do you feel? Okay, next thing. Chug. Okay, he hates carbonation. Okay, he tells me this every time he drinks soda.
I did, because I fucking hate it. Okay, I'll try.
You have to like chug.
Oh, fuck.
Keep going, we don't have time for this. The gigabytes, they're getting drained. Go.
Nope. Oh, fuck. Ah, hurts. Fuck. How do people fucking drink carbonation?
Keep going.
Oh, 0 sugar too, thank God.
Fizz. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Shut the fuck up.
The gigabytes, bro. It's so close. Just finish it. Aw. You're actually like a dragon. Okay, keep going. Last sip.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Yay. What would you rate that out of 10? Out of 10?
Taste, an 8. Texture, a fucking 2.
How do you feel about this video so far? Like, be honest. Say your true thoughts to the camera.
It's fine, like the first couple bites. That's fucking ass, man.
Is this one of the worst videos you've done?
No.
No? But you threw up.
Okay.
Okay, you have to chug these. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, chug that.
Oh, fine. Oh, it's not even. Yeah.
Do you like them? What do you rate it?
If there's milk chocolate, it would be an 8. Since it's dark chocolate, 7.
Now the barrels.
I guess I'll do a 3 because they're together.
Okay, are you excited for this?
No.
Why?
I don't like
They don't even look that bad. They don't even look bad. They're not bad.
They are with every other taste of flavor in my mouth. I got like 40.
They can't be that bad.
have 40 other flavors in my mouth. It's just mixing it together.
Don't do that. That's disgusting, bro. How do you chew that? That's not right. That's not human. That's not human.
People do it all the time. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. Next chug.
I'm not chugging this.
You're chugging it. No, for the video. Come on, this is so good so far. You gotta keep going.
Oh, it's more ow!
I know,
Fuck,
it's
it burned
super.
my skin.
It's super carbonated. That's why I got it.
Ow! That like burned my lip.
Wait, pour it. What are you talking about, right?
You put it on your lips. It burns it, right?
Just drink it.
Is this healthy for me?
Yes, it's healthy.
I know. This is not healthy. It's burning my.
It's healthy. Just eat it. Just take a chug right now. One chug. Just one chug.
That's not healthy.
I don't care. One chug.
Oh, fuck. You can't drink that.
You can drink that.
Not in big dosages.
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 Yeah, take one more chug. What do you rate it?
It's good flavor, but fucking carbonation's.
Rate it. Rate it.
1 on carbonation, like a good 9 on flavor. Okay, so guys, because of Damon's request, we're gonna fucking eat all of this at once, and he's also. What? Fuck you.
You gotta do it. How do you feel? Do you want to kill yourself right now? That was disgusting. Okay, take it all at once. Oh wait.
Oh shit.
You have to do this. Do it. Keep eating. Keep eating.
Look at it, chug that shit.
It's disgusting. They look like there's a worm. Spit it out somewhere else. What do you rate that out of 10? What do you rate out of 10? Out of 10.
The fucking bit. I hate the bit so much.
What would you rate your candy experience?
I'll give it a 6.
A 6? How do you feel about it?
Throw up the carbonation. And guys, I just want to say one thing. This summer break, we're making a good comeback video. You know, something that's quality. I just wanted to say goodbye, baby girl.
Alright, do this. Wait, ready? Stand there. Wink. No, right now, wink. Wink.